Welcome guys. In this video we will take a look at the slideshow tab of our PowerPoint. Now here in slideshow, the first option here you will see is from beginning. Now what it will do, it will start your slideshow from beginning. Now you can also click on F5, it will work the same. Okay, it will start your slideshow from the first slide. Okay, and you can just move to the second slide. Okay, and the next option here you'll see is from current slide. Now for beginning, it will start your slideshow from the first slide. From current slide means that if I am on third slide currently, then it will start my slideshow from this third slide. Okay, if I just click here, you'll see slide number 3. Okay, it just starts from slide number 3. The next option here you'll see is present online. Now if you are giving your presentation through any server or to any online, you can just connect your email address here and stuff and then start doing it. Okay, the third option here you'll see is custom slideshow. Okay, now for example, if you have a lots of slides here and you only want to show limited amount of slide, okay, then you can add that slide to your custom slideshow. For example, I want to add the second slide to our custom slideshow. I'll click on custom show, okay, and click on new, and here I will select the slide number 2. I will add this slide to custom slideshow, and you can also rename your slideshow. I will name it as slide 2. Okay, I click on add. After that I will also select slide number 3 and I will name it as slide 3. Okay, add. If I just click on OK, and yeah, that's fine. Now if I just click on this custom slide, you see another option, slide number 3. If I just click here, you can see it will start my slideshow from slide number 2, and the next slide is slide number 3, and it will not move to slide number 4. Instead it will end the slideshow. Okay, the next option here you'll see is setup slideshow. Okay, now if I just click on this setup slideshow, what it will do, now here first of all we will see our show slide option. Now if you want to show all of your slide, whenever you click on from beginning, it will show all of your slide. The next option here you'll see is from. Now here you can select from which slide to which slide you want to show. Okay, for example, I want to show my slideshow from slide number 3 to slide number 5, so I will select this, okay, and click on OK. Now if I click on from beginning, you'll see it will start from slide number 3 instead of slide number 1. Okay, and it will move up to slide number 5, then it will end the slideshow. Again, if I just go to slideshow, setup slideshow, okay, and if I just check this custom show and click on OK, you'll see it will start from slide number 2 because we have added slide number 2 and 3 to our custom slideshow. Okay, like this. Okay, slide number 2, slide number 3, and it will end our slideshow. Okay, you can easily add your own custom slideshow. Okay, again, if I just go to setup slideshow and I will click on all, the next thing here you'll see is advanced slides. Now you can advance your slides in 2 ways. The first one is manually, you can just right click off your mouse or you can use the arrow keys, and the second one is use timing. If I just click on timing, you can add your timing, and then after a certain time your slideshow will be advanced to next slide. Now I like to use this manually. The next thing here you'll see is multiple monitor. If you are using multiple monitor, you can set up your monitor and you can also set up their resolution. Now in my case I just use one monitor, so I will click on automatic and click on OK, and it will start automatically. The next thing here you'll see is show option. Now the first option here you'll see is loop continuously until escape. Now what that means, now it will loop continually. If I click on escape, then it will end the slideshow. Okay, for example, if I check this mark and click on OK and play my slideshow, and if I just go to second slide, then third, fourth, 5. Now in my presentation there's only 5 slides. Now after that it should end the slide, but if I click next, instead of ending the slideshow, it will move to the first slide again, and if I just click on escape, it will end the slideshow. Okay, the next option here you'll see is show without narration. Now narration is your voiceover, so if you don't want to show your voiceover, you can just check this mark. Okay, the next option is show without animation. Now if you have added some kind of animation and at specific time you don't want to show the animation. Instead of removing all the animation, you can just check this show without animation. Okay, and you can also disable hardware graphic acceleration. The next option is your pen color and laser pointer color. Now you can set your default pen color. Now here the default one is red. You can select any one of these and click on OK. Now I will show what this means is, if I just click on start slideshow, okay, here at the end you'll see some option. The first one is to advance your slideshow to next and to previous. After that you'll see your pen icon. Okay, you can select any color here. You can select pen and you can show any specific area. If you want to point out any specific area, you can use this pen. Other option here in pen, you can use eraser. Okay, it will erase that selection, and you can just click on erase all ink on slide. It will remove or erase all of the ink from your slide. Okay, you can change the color here. You can select green color. Okay, you can use any color you want, and again I'll click on erase all ink on this slide. Okay, if I just right click here, again you will see all the option here also. Okay, you can zoom in here. Okay, if you want to zoom in at the specific area, you can zoom in here. Okay, if you right click, it will again zoom out. Okay, you can also run your custom slideshow and show presenter view. Okay, and you can change the screen to black and white. For example, if I just click on screen and I click on black screen, now here on black screen I can write stuff. Okay, if I want to present something, I want to explain something, I can use this blackboard to explain something. Okay, and if I just click on escape, it will remove that blackboard. Okay, you can also choose whiteboard and pointer option. Here you can use laser pointer, you can use pen, and you can also use highlighter. Okay, if you want to highlight something, just click on this highlighter. For example, I want to highlight this slide number 1. Okay, so I will just highlight it like this. Okay, and the same thing you can do here. You can change the color of your highlighter. Okay, you can change the ink color to green. Sorry, this time I will select something like red. Okay, it will now highlight in red color. Okay, like this. Okay, that's all the option here, and the end last option is end show. Now if I just click on end show, it will work as escape. Okay, it will end the slideshow, and I will click on discard. Okay, the next option here you will see is hide slide. Now if you want to hide certain slide from your slideshow, okay, you can do that. For example, I want to hide the second slide. I'll select the second slide and click on hide, and you can see a line will apply on our second slide. Now it is not be visible in our slideshow. If I just from beginning, you will see slide number 1, then it will not show the second slide, instead it will show the third slide. Okay, and if you want to again show the second slide, just select the second slide and click here. Now second slide will be visible again. The next thing here you will see is rehearsing time. Now if I just click on this rehearsing time, okay, it will start counting my time, okay, until I move to the next slide. Okay, you can see again it will start counting my time until I move to the next slide. Okay, again it will start counting my slide, and it will count all of the timing, and it will say the total time for your slideshow was 15 seconds. Do you want to save the new slide timing? If you just click yes. Now whenever you are presenting your slideshow, you can adjust your time according to that presentation. For example, it will take 15 seconds to present all the slideshow here. Okay, the next thing here is record slideshow. Now you will see that both of these options is similar, both are recording. Now the main thing here is with the record slideshow, you can record your narration. Okay, here if I just move my cursor here, you can see click here to choose where to start recording or to clear recording timing and narration. You can record your timing, recording and narration. Okay, the next thing here you can choose play narration. If I just uncheck this, whenever I play my presentation, our narration will not play. You can also uncheck use timing or show media content. Okay, I will check this mark. The next thing here is monitor. If you are using toe monitor, you can just click on primary monitor. Okay, you can change it. I am using one monitor, so that's why I will just click on automatic. Okay, now this option is also available here in this setup slideshow. Okay, here multiple monitor. Okay, now that's it for this slideshow. Thank you for watching.